this is just a quick video show you the differences. So this is a Lipco sprayer, and how it works is you've got these tunnels that go between the vines. And they spray out. Obviously you've got the tank. Now this is a mounted version, okay? So this is a 500 litre mounted version of the sprayer. They're very, very good, and here you can see there's fans, and then the nozzles are down here. But then this is a trailed version. So this has actually got a trailer, and then you've got your wings. So it's exactly the same, except this is a 1500 litre tank, where this is a 500 litre. They're both mounted on brand new Kabuto M5 102s. This one's got the electric options, and then the control system for the sprayer is like this. So you have your on, which side, in, out, but in, out, if you just want to move one side, your pressure. This is your pressure gauge. So if I turn it on, you'll see. So this is a digital pressure gauge, which is to the sprayer, and it all runs off one spool and the PTO. What I do like with these new tractors is they've got Cat 4 now, so it's actually got a Cat 4 cab system, as you can see there. So it's got its own thing. But yeah, so this is what we're on today, spraying. We've got to spray 25 hectares today. But I just thought I'd give you a quick update of what's going on. And there is a little bit of rain. British summer, you've got to love it. Everyone, thank you. If you want to see anything, you just let me know and I'll do videos.